This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming prerequisites. You have admin rights on the RD session host and the license server, and network paths are open. Next, open Server Manager and navigate to Remote Desktop Services. This is where you register the license server. Once done, run the licensing diagnosis under RD Licensing Diagnoser to capture exact errors and read the event ID. Make sure to note the license server name, any error codes, and whether per user or per device mode is configured before proceeding. Now you will register and configure the license server. Install the RD licensing role if not present, then activate the license server through Server Manager or the RD Licensing Manager. Choose online activation for speed or phone if required. Once activated, install your CALs into the server. After that, point each RD session host to the activated license server via Group Policy or Server Manager. Make sure to propagate settings. If multiple hosts exist, repeat registration or use GPO to avoid mismatch issues. Finish by restarting Remote Desktop Services and validating in Event Viewer that licensing errors are cleared. Then run RD Licensing Diagnoser and RD Licenses Manager to confirm CALs are visible and assigned. If problems persist, force refresh the license server by removing orphaned entries from the registry or DNS, reactivate the server, and reinstall CALs. One key troubleshooting tip: if clients show no license server available, ensure the license server's machine account is not disabled and ports are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.